Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, I have NZDUSD. So I'm gonna do a quick trade recap, and as you can see, like just right here. Okay, just right now we took this, not we took, but we just hit the TP. You feel me? Of 7.5 hour trade. So let's just go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, like first of all, what happened? Like we were pretty low. We had that change of character that occurred around first of all right here. Okay, this is on the higher time frame. This is my market outlet from here. As change of character. This could have been like this should be more correct, but like right now we just also just continue to mark, for example, like this as a break structure from here on and all that. You feel me? But yeah, like I just did not do that, and I just like wanted it to be from here. That's how I wanted it, right? No, I'm just kidding. But okay, this is on the high time frame. After we had that change of character and we just took this high, as you see, we broken through them. I know that right now the trading range is from this low to that high. So around these areas is a perfect area to enter through, you feel me, and all that. So yeah, we never actually came back to that area, and of course I was looking for more confirmations. So right now, as you see, at some point we broke through that structure right here. Okay, as you can see, this is where it all began. What caused this breaker structure was this candle on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, this structure was caused by this candle right here, and then we had that another black break structure right here that was caused by this candle on the 30-minute time frame. I just marked up like this 15-minute candle. That's where we got the entry from, and as you can see, we just took a great right. As you can see, like just recently was a TP hit, and we took that 7.5 RR. So absolutely beautiful trade. We did manage to like take this liquidity out right here. Okay, we did manage to lose the people that were right here. What a beautiful story. Let me, yeah, just like that. Let me just mark it up as liquidity below that was got taken out. We marked it up with the X, just like that. And as you can see, just continue to push to the upside. So beautiful, beautiful trade. Let me know what are your thoughts about this. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Peace out, guys, and bye. And join a free Discord. Yeah, free Discord to join the community.